Today we're going to see how nowadays couples love is started and end.
Tumi hado haulang wanang naman hado delay taike hangka tang semlan yut lan teman nyene teman celalan hangka teman kan bu akung wang hiang akem dengwe sa hado kan bu hangka ending nam yang hado tau haun lag.
And I believe today you will learn something.
Yang atau ting la kemung humate nang hado videos kaya naman yung mong do ong sengayak la. Hello.
Hello.
Where are you now?
I'm just sitting with my friends.
Okay, then can you meet today one time?
Surely I will meet.
Okay.
Let's meet in tea garden.
Tea garden.
Yes.
Okay, then let's go there and have fun there.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm waiting for that.
Okay, I'm coming also. I too coming. Okay. Coming.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Very long time I want to meet you.
I do.
So I want to marry you.
But my family not willing to you also.
Why?
Because you are not good person that deny me.
What good or what bad I'm doing?
Because they know long time about your nature and sin, and I explain about you, so they not willing entertain many times to me.
If you marry me, surely I will left all the things. I will left smoking. I will quit tambul pan masala. I will quit the drugs, whatever I'm taking. Surely, just you marry me once.
No, my family, because my family know about you, because you are so addicted for eating everything. So my family is so much. They don't know this. They don't like these things.
For me, you are
I
matter.
cannot.
For me, you are matter.
I do. I want to be married very soon, but I can run away. I will leave my family and I can.
Okay, let's run away.
married.
I want you only. Don't worry. I will be with you till the end, and I will give you everything, whatever you desire. I will feel you like queen. Let's run away.
Because I will leave you. I will not obey my parents, my family. What my family said, I will not obey.
Let's run. You pack your bag.
Okay. Then you promise me. Then you have to leave everything quiet.
Sure. I will leave everything. Just I want you.
Promise.
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 Yes, promise.
Okay, then I will leave my parents and I will not obey. And whatever my parents said, I will not obey. And let's go.
Do one thing. You pack your bag. I will come in the night with the bike and let's run.
Okay. I will be ready. Okay.
Okay.
Don't late. Ang natat upa mengyan. Hang tenang. Upa no. Nang hayang na ni ba kay upa kit na tanang yo. Upa gin no. Upa ki anang lak na no. Upa chok yang nge upa no. Nhưng yang pe nang te upa ki na upa ki tango yo. Opa kia na tăng yo, chồng mình nó kata mày nè, na hạ mày nè chồng nó chiều, opa con tay yo, anh ni sempa amyang lam pe acam nak no, sempa amyang lam pe acam nak, anh ni semyu amyang lam pe acam nak no, kata amyang lam pe acam nak, kata mày lam pe acam nak, yang ngau cai lak, unyu ngau cai lak chiều. Nhưng ngao chơi lắm, lúc sau mình hạ mày nó trong đó chứ. Opa, chọc sao chọc tụi mình nặng mua qua sừng nặng trong bụi sừng quay. Okay, ngao chơi là hay. See now also coming and drunk.
Hey, you quiet.
Whatever you promised me before marriage, you never done this.
And like that, I will get nanny. Hola.
You go.
Don't teach me. Whatever we have seen, that is the saddest reality of the youths.
Hangi tumnya na hadaw mangi yabai hadaw tinga ni yong mo meng la khai ipak ja hadaw ngana.
The reason they learn love from the movies.
hadawa hangi mangai bu si chibon me gama tumana kan bu yang hadaw saya tumana hadaw film yang hangi serial ko kambu ma hadaw tumana sunga ya pungana.
But my dear brother and sister, love and the marriage is not as shown in the movie or dramas.
Yang boy tahu kan menyanau jenaulan teman kan bu yang cengnyoi nok sau bu hadawa tumana movie ma hadaw film mengi bu kia serial mengi bu kia hadaw bala mengi cija.
If you wanted to have blessed married life,
nanga moheman bu cengnyoi bu ma moheman bu nok sa chana nang meng bu meng.
learn from the Bible the basic principle of love and marriage.
Nanga hadaw Bible ma tumana senga yalak bombong yang nanga Bible ma kan bu yang cengnyoi bu hadaw tumana yong ma ya hadaw lu senga kang.
Go to your parents and learn their counselings.
Yang nang noksa nang yu nang pa mabu counseling amai ba ngaulan amai ba ya yang hadaw kia naman cengnyoi bu hadaw jahai jatai kan.
The blessed time what the Lord has blessed you if you are young, focus on your career.
Tau kai hipak amai nanga te hangi pa kawangan nang te hipak amai phaya ba hadaw hipak amai nanga hadaw menang career focus meng bong yang.
And keep praying to God.
Tau kai hadaw ma yelak pa nang kawang sisa menang.
Because marriage and love,
hang cengnyoi si bon meng ma cengnyoi bu yang kan bua.
this is not as shown in the love song or movie.
Tau kai hadaw wa tumana film mengi bu kia tumana solak ye chija.
But it's a holy from the Lord and it's a commandment of Lord and we need to learn from the Lord.
Tau kai tumana hadawa yong cengnyoi bua tumana won bune yang ni cengnyoi bu ye che yang bu cengnyoi ba yong chao bang cengai chapu kawang bai cengai chapu marriage ngonang tau kai tumana kawang si sam hana nyai bu bai tumana won chai bu ma tumana ni mo wang lam smai ba bai tuman cengnyoi ra bong yang.
Marry a man who loves Christ more than anything else.
Tau kai tumana natan ja kawang da anyai kan bu natan ja bai tuman cengnyoi ra bong yang.
Because he can love you till the last like Christ.
Hang jeng ne si bon meng ma hadaw natan ja iya krisa kan bu cha le tuman da kam da ngoi sa hadaw natan ja kan glak
May God bless you.
kawang mo man pa.